Imagine waking up each day and having the ability to choose the work you want to do and the clients you want to work with. That's the beauty of freelancing. It's the ultimate career choice for individuals who value freedom and flexibility in their professional lives. Hey guys, this is Saurabh, and in this video we are going to explore some of the highest paying freelancing opportunities. From web development to content writing, we will take a closer look at what these jobs entail, what all skills you need to have, and how much these jobs are going to pay you. So the number one job which we are going to take a look at it is web designing, which is the art of creating and building websites. And building websites is the foundation of any digital business right now. As the technology continues to advance, the demand for web developers will continue to grow. To be successful in web development, you will need to have a strong understanding of programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You will also need to be proficient in server-side technologies like PHP and Python. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you will have to take on complex and high-paying projects. So from simple blogs to complex e-commerce websites, web designers can convert a dream of a client into reality with their creativity and skill set. So what's the payoff for all this hard work? According to Glassdoor, in the United States, the average salary of a web developer is around $75,000 per year, and with the right skills and with the right experience, it can continue to grow. So if you have a passion for technology and desire to build the future, web development may be the career path for you. So let's continue on our journey and find out what other high-paying jobs are available for freelancing. Graphic design is the process of creating visual content for client. It's an art form that combines creativity, technical skills, and the ability to communicate effectively with clients. Whether you're working on a logo, brochure, or website, graphic designers play a crucial role in bringing their clients' ideas to life. And to be a successful graphic designer, you need to have a strong understanding of the design software such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop. Average salary for a graphic designer is around $50,000 per year, but in freelancing there is no limit. Based on your skill set, your experience, and your client's handling technique, you can earn an unlimited amount of money. Digital marketing is the process of promoting a brand or product online. In today's world, where the majority of consumers are online, digital marketing is more important than ever. Digital marketers are responsible for developing and executing marketing strategies that reach customers where they are spending the majority of their time on the internet. And to be a successful digital marketer, you need to have a certain skill set, certain skills like search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing. You should be aware of the latest trends of what's going on different social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you should have the ability to analyze the campaigns which you're going to run and see how much successful they are. Again, the average salary for a digital marketer in the US is around $60,000 per year, but again, depending on your skill set and your experience and the way you do the work, you can have unlimited amount of opportunities in the world of freelancing. Content writing is the process of creating written content for client. It's a field that combines the ability to write engaging and informative text. Content writing is the process of creating written content for clients. It's a field that combines the ability to write engaging and informative text with the skills to research and understand a client's target audience. Whether you are writing blog posts, articles, or product descriptions, content writers play a crucial role in connecting brands with their target audience. And in order to be a successful content writer, you need to have good writing skills, analyzing skills. You should be able to understand the client's target audience to whom you are preparing your content, whether it's a blog post or product description or an ad which you are building for your client. You need to have that level of understanding of client's business, as well as on your side as well. You should be aware of the different skill sets which are required to be a content writer. And in order to work effectively with the clients, you need to have a good communication skill. You need to understand their requirements and then convert that into your content. So whether you're a creative content designer or a content writer, in the world of freelancing, the opportunities are endless and you can make unlimited amount of money depending on your own skill set. So it is very important to build your own skills, to level up your skills, understand the required technology, the tools, so that you can effectively handle your clients. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and feel what you love doing each and every day. That's what freelancing is going to offer to you: the freedom, the flexibility to live the life way you want. So why wait? Start your freelancing journey today. Build up your skills, find the clients, and be successful. I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.